Okay. Our topic is base multiplication. Till now we have covered which bases? Base 10 and base 100, right? Yes or no? Please respond. Are you there? Akash, Shau, Joya, Arshita, Abhinav, Ritvik.
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay, why are you not responding?
Good evening, sir. Hi, sir.
Good evening. Okay, till now in base multiplication, we have covered these two bases only. Yes or no? How to do this question? 8 into 9. Just tell me. Anyone, only one person.
Sir, may I tell Shahu? Sir, 8, here we can take the base as 10.
Okay.
8 is 10 minus 2 and 9 is 10 minus 1.
Okay.
8 minus 1 is 7. We can write 7.
Okay.
And 2 ones are is 2.
Okay. After that, to reserve one position. That one position should be filled by 2 ones are 2.
Yes, sir. If base is 100, then we need to reserve 2 places.
Yeah, here both the numbers are below base. And let us take one more question, like 14.
Sir, may I
Please join your Vedic maths class.
What happened? Why the disturbance?
Sir, there is an echo coming from your side, I guess.
From where?
Sir, an echo is coming, sir.
Echo only. From where?
I don't know, sir. Sir, I was muting my alarm. That's why I was unmuted. But there was no such echo. When I muted myself, then echo was coming.
Okay. And explain this question, Akash. What is the base for these two numbers?
Sir, base is 10.
Okay.
Plus 4 and plus 2.
Okay.
Then we have to add 14 plus 2, which is 16, obviously.
Okay.
And then we have to multiply 4 and 2, and it is 8. 168.
These two are with the basis 10.
Yes, sir.
Let us do 2 more questions for base 100. Like 97 into 80, 89.
Please join your Vedic maths class.
What is that?
So nothing, sir. That's my alarm, sir. So that I have own creative in my computer. So it also like by mistakenly I have clicked on 5. So now it's giving me now that please join your Vedic maths class.
Actually, you have to make it 5, not 5. It should be 455.
Yes, sir. That's what. But by mistakenly I clicked on 5.
Okay. Somebody
Sir,
called.
good evening, sir.
Good evening. Who?
Sir, I joined 5 minutes late, sir. Me, Shasi, sir. But like because I wasn't able to join the meeting by audio, sir, and so like it took me 5 minutes just to do that.
Okay. Abhinav, you can do it later. Okay. Abhinav, stop writing in with our chat box.
So can I say its base is 100, I guess.
Wait, Shreyasi will tell this. What is the
Okay,
base
sir.
number for these two numbers?
Sir, the base number will be 100, sir, because it's 97. There are 2 digits.
Yeah, what to write? 97. Fast.
Sir, it will be 3.
Minus 3.
Yes, sir, minus 3.
Okay, next it is?
Sir, 11.
11 minus 11.
Next, what to do? Forgot?
Sir, cross multiply.
11 into 9, I guess.
89 minus 3 or 97 minus 11.
It is just cross operation, not cross multiply. Okay?
Sir, I was about to tell it, sir. I forgot, sir, I guess. I was telling like 89 into 3, sir.
No, 89 minus 3. It's already there, minus 3. 89 minus 3 is how much?
86.
85. I mean 86, sorry.
After that, we need to reserve how many positions?
2.
2.
2 positions should be filled by?
3 and
33.
11 threes are 30.
33.
So you need to revise the classes, previous classes.
Sir, can I do next one?
sir, one more, sir. One more, sir. I
No,
forgot,
wait,
sir, totally,
wait,
sir.
Shreyasi, wait. Harshita, I think, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
can I?
Harshita, be ready. It will be 112 into 113. It is your question.
Sir, it is plus base, no, sir.
Base is how
Above
much?
base, no?
Base.
100.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell.
Sir, can we take like base number except of 100 or 200? Can we take base number like 150 also?
115. Yeah, we can, but that will take some extra time. Okay,
So, sir, 100 is only more convenient, or 200.
so here 100 means your multiplication factor will be 1. That's why it will be easy. So if you take 150, your multiplication factor will be 15. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
that will take some extra time. That's why we don't prefer that. Okay, Harshita, continue.
Yes, sir. 112 is plus 100, so plus 12.
Okay,
And 113 is plus 13.
okay,
We have to add 113 and 12.
okay,
125.
okay,
And we
Three
should
positions.
reserve two places.
okay, okay,
And 112 into 3. Or I
Oh.
mean 12 into 3. 12 into 3. That is
12 into
45.
13.
13, yes, sir. 12
Hmm.
into 13 is 1 second, sir.
13 10 times plus 13 2 times.
56.
56.
56, I guess, sir.
No,
56.
13 10
So
times.
we can take the
113.
12 square plus
13,
12 we
13
can do.
times is
113, sir. 113.
no.
So
13
156,
Sir, 13 into
sir.
12 is 156.
Overall,
Sir, we
156,
can do
yes,
it.
sir.
So 12 square plus 12, 144 plus 12, like that.
yes, we can do that also. 12 square plus 12.
So the final answer is 1, 2, 6, 5, 6.
Okay, right. Okay. Yeah. Be ready to give your names.
So we have to follow the same method of that base one, or
Base 100 only for this.
okay, sir.
Okay, check your question and give your names instead of without saying names, without saying question. You can check and select.
So can I see the names?
From J. Shahu.
Yes, sir. So J. Shahu,
Hmm.
L. Ritvik,
Okay,
and Harshita F,
okay,
and C. Manideep,
okay.
D. Zoya,
D. Okay,
K. Akash, that's me itself,
okay.
E. Krishna Aditya, E.
E.
Yes, sir. Sir, and G. Pallav,
Okay,
A. Shreyashi.
okay.
Sir, no names now.
15 persons are there, and 1, 2, 3. 3 questions are remaining. Remaining persons, take any question.
I. Ashrita, sir, she wrote. I. Ashrita.
Ayush, take one question. Ayush.
Sir, I. Ashrita.
Ayush Mishra.
Sir, Krishnaditya wanted one more question, so he has written M. Krishnaditya second.
No. Krishnaditya, you can speak. Okay, Ashita joined twice.
Sir, but he has taken two
Oh,
Sir,
questions.
does he
that's-
want to change his question or want M and E both of them?
That's why
He
I'm asking.
wanted
Both
both
of
of them because he has written in the bracket second, so that means he wanted both of them.
Wait, let us ask him.
Sir, I've mistakenly joined twice. Sir, can you remove the other number which which I'm not talking with.
Okay, it is not there now. Okay. Only one name is there. Right.
No, sir, two names are there.
Okay, okay. 2 times there. Ashrita, speak once.
Sir.
Okay, 1 second. Again, speak.
Sir.
Okay. Right. Mandeep has taken already. Navya, Navya, what happened? Navyasri, Likita, Ayush Mishra, these 3 persons. Okay. Let us do the remaining questions. Stacy, ready?
Yes, sir.
Carry on. Base, I think for all.
The base will be 100, sir.
Okay. Carry on.
Sir, it's
Sir,
below
yes,
base.
sir. 100
sir.
minus.
1 second, 1 second. Harshita, tell me.
If they all are below base, no, sir.
Yeah, all the numbers are below base. Navya, is it okay
Sir,
now? Navya,
sir, can I continue, sir?
wait, 1 second. Navya, okay, you can write something in chat if you have any problem. Shreyasi, continue.
So 100 minus 87 is to minus 13.
Okay,
Then down will be minus 3.
okay. Next.
Then 87 minus 3 will be 84.
Okay. After that,
Reserve 2 seats.
okay. Okay, Navya.
Sir, 2 seats to be reserved.
Seats, okay. Those 2 positions should
Sir,
be
then 13 into 13 into 3 equals to 39.
39. Very good. Correct. Yeah, Ritvik, any doubt or completed questions?
Completed, sir. Why would I have doubt?
Okay, okay. Then now two more students will join.
Hold on. Hold on.
Vedika. Vedika, are you there? Rohan? Rohan? Vedika? Vedika, Rohan, and Ayush Mishra, what happened to you?
Sir, there, can I do B?
Which is
No,
your
Ashita,
is F, right? Okay, wait for you.
Same mistake, sir. This time also I didn't saw him.
Who? What, Shahu?
Sir, I did not speak.
Okay, I think Ritvik.
Sir, can I do B?
Manideep, ready?
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
The base is 100, sir. 100 minus 98 is minus 2. Sorry, 2 is minus 2.
Okay, minus
And down minus 7, sir.
okay,
98 minus 7 is 91.
okay,
Two digits are reserved.
okay.
7 twos are 14.
That's all. Very good. Then Zoya,
Yes, sir.
carry on.
94 is 6 less than 100.
Okay,
95 is 5 less than 100.
okay,
94 minus 5 is 89.
okay.
You have to reserve 2 places.
Hmm.
And 6 5s are is 30.
30. That's all. Very good. Then Krishna Aditya. Krishna Aditya.
Yes, I will take base number 100.
Okay.
96 minus 4
Hmm.
and again minus 4.
Okay.
Then 96 into 96 minus 4 is 92.
92. Okay.
Reserve 2 places.
Okay.
Then 4 fours are 16.
Then 4 4 so 16. That's all. 9 to 1 6. Harshita, carry on.
Yes, the base is 100
Hmm.
and 100 minus 88 is equals to 12. So minus 12
Okay.
and the minus 4, 98 is equals to minus 4.
Okay.
96 minus 12 is equals to 84.
Yeah, instead of doing this, I think it is better. 88 minus 4 is
Yes, 84.
84.
And 12 fours is equals to 48. We should leave 2 places.
Okay. 48. That's
So
all.
8,448.
Very good. Then Pallav.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 89 is 11 less than 100. We have to take base as 100, sir.
Okay.
And then 98 is 2 less than 100.
Okay.
So 89 minus 2 gives 87.
Okay.
And we have to reserve 2 places.
Hmm.
So minus 11 into minus 2 gives 22.
22. That's all. Very good. Then which remaining? Yeah, Ashrita.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, 100 less than 7 less, so it's minus 7.
Okay.
And 99 minus 1.
Okay.
93 minus 1 is equals to 92.
92.
2 place reserved.
Okay.
07.
Very good. 7 ones are 7, but we have to represent it as a 2-digit number. That's why it's there. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, the base is 100, so 97 is minus 3 minus 97 minus 3, it is 94.
Hmm.
As the base, we are. What happened, sir?
Nothing. Tell me.
Sir, 97 minus 3, it is 94.
Okay.
As the base, we are taking 100, so we have to reserve 2 places. And 3 into 3 is 9. We will write it as 09.
0.
The
Very
answer
good.
is 9409.
Very good. Then Akash. Jashmita, are you there?
Sir, I'm there.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I came.
Take one question among these 3.
So
Jashmita.
shall I say?
Sir,
Akash.
can I take B, sir?
You will do B, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Be ready with your question. I'll ask later.
So I'm ready, sir.
Carry on.
So 100 minus 96, which is 4,
Minus 4.
obviously. And 100 minus 63, which is minus 33.
Okay, 67. It will be 33.
Yes, sir.
Right?
33. So now we have to subtract 96 from 33 from 96. So we will get the answer as
Doing that,
63.
it is better, I think.
So then also our answer will be 63, right?
In both the cases, it is same. That is the beauty
sir.
in this method. But which is easy? 67 minus 4 is easy, correct?
Yes, sir. So I just didn't. So sorry for the mistake,
Okay.
sir. And then we have this. So 2 places are reserved. 2 places.
Sir, wrong, sir. Sir, it should be 64. Oh, yes, sir. 63.
63.
No, sir.
Carry on, carry on.
So now we have to multiply 4 into 33, which is 132. So we'll take 1 as carry and 3 to here.
Yeah, 3 4 times, then 3 4 times, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now 3 to here and 1 down.
1 down.
1 below 3, sir. So our final answer will be 6432. 6432.
Correct. Then Ritvik.
Yes, sir. So the base number would be 100 and 95 is less 5, so minus 5, and 75 is less than 25 to 100, so minus 25. And 75 minus 5 would be 70.
Hmm.
As the base number is 100, so 2 places needs to be reserved.
Okay.
25 into 4 plus 25 equals to 125. So 1 would be carried and 25 needs to be written as it is. So the final answer would be 7125.
712. Very good. Very good. Vishnu, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Take one question among H and yeah. Any one question. It is of your choice.
Sir, actually, I have a doubt in the question M.
Okay, we'll do that. Vishnu, take any one question.
Sir, H, sir.
Okay, this is for Vishnu. Okay, now Jashmita, I think you are ready.
Yes, sir. Sir, 79 is below base by 21.
21. Okay.
98 is below base by 2.
Okay.
79 minus 2, which is 77.
77.
So we will reserve 2 places, 21 into 2, which is 42.
42. Very good. Correct. Then Vishnu, ready?
Yes, sir. I will try, sir.
No issue.
Sir, did anybody
Minus 7, sir.
1 second. 1 second. What?
7.
Some.
100 minus 93, it will be 7, sir.
Okay. Minus 7 it is.
100 minus 96 would be minus 4, sir.
Okay. Take any crosswise operation.
93 minus 4, sir.
Okay. How much it is?
89, sir.
89. After writing 89, how many positions we need to reserve?
2, sir.
Why 2? Why 2? Because our base is 100.
100, sir. So 2 0, sir. Then.
Yeah. In our base, zeros, that's why. Those 2 positions should be filled by 7 4s are
32, sir.
7 4s are
28, sir. 28.
28. That's all. That's the answer.
Sir, I got the missing
Sir,
number.
did anybody take ambit?
So 93. Mbit is 93.
Yes, sir, it is 93.
It is
Wait. Satvik, please.
Sir, I know the answer, but I did it in my own way, sir. I don't know how the method how to do it.
Just explain.
Actually, this can be divided.
Today, echo is coming from.
Satvik, mute yourself. Satvik, mute yourself.
Somebody are using speakers. If you use speakers, it will.
Satvik is using, sir.
Satvik,
No, sir, I'm not using speakers, sir.
He is not using speaker, but it is echoing.
Okay, if anybody are speaking, then remove that speakers. Then you can speak. Then later you can connect. Okay, Satvik, explain this.
Sir, shall I explain the method?
Satvik will explain. Fast, Satvik.
Sir, we can simply do 89 divided by 8277.
Yes, sir, and we can do it by estimation.
Yes.
Sir, 89 into 9, it comes 801. So the remainder will be 26 and 267 is 89 threes are like that.
Sir, can I say my way?
Simply we can say because the both the numbers are below base, that's why we need to subtract. How much if we need to subtract to get 82 from 89?
7.
7.
7, sir.
It should be 7 less. 7 less. Yes, sir. 7 less than 100. Ashrita,
9
you
into 3.
Yes, sir.
speakers.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Are you using speakers?
No, sir, I'm using headphones.
Okay. Okay, then it will be 93, correct? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
All of you clear? How you got this answer 93? So from
Yes, sir.
89, how much we need to subtract? How much we need to subtract to get this 82 is 7. That's why our number will be 7 less than the base number. So that's why it is 93. Question
Yes,
mark
sir.
here, it should be 93. Okay, then we'll move on to larger bases. Yeah, now these are your questions. There are 12 questions. You can give your names. 12 questions.
Sir, may I read the names this time?
Okay, carry on. See Manideep from there.
Okay, sir. C. Manideep,
Okay,
then F. Vishnu,
okay.
then L. Ritvik, K. Shahu,
L Vishnu, sorry, L Ritvik.
Sir, K first I told.
Sir, K is Jeshmita, not Shahu.
Yes, yes. K Jashmita first.
Okay, sir. Then J. Pallav,
K is Jashmita. Okay. J Pallav. Sorry, J is already. Okay, okay. J is Pallav.
then G. Zoya,
Okay. Next.
Yes, sir. Vedika I,
Okay.
then H. Ashrita,
H Ashrita.
E. Akash,
Okay.
M. Harshita,
M is not there. There are 12 questions. Only L up to L.
okay, sir. Then C. Shahu,
C is already over.
okay, then H. Satvik,
Okay. H is
then
also
K. Harshita.
D Harshita. C. Shahu, take any one question. Okay.
Sir, I'll take B.
Okay. Before that, D Harshita. And only one question remaining. Satvik, take A. Because that is only remaining.
Sir, actually, I joined a little late, sir. I don't know how the method, how to do this.
Are you there in the previous class?
No, sir. Previous class, I was traveling that time.
We are getting that echo. You can use headphones or you can use it directly also. Okay, all of you do all the questions. Here you have to decide base. In the previous
Sir,
exercise,
for,
base-
sir, for
different
4
bases are
digits, can we take 10,000?
it's above base number. You need to take above base.
Sir, means we need to take like 4 places as reserved.
How many zeros are there in your base? Those many digits you need to reserve.
We have to
Sir?
reserve 3 places.
Yeah, if it is 1,000, 3 places. If it is 10,000, 4 places. If it is 1 lakh, 5 places.
Sir,
Yeah. Tell.
Sir, for then 4 digits, which number should we take, sir? 1,000 or 10,000?
Which
sir,
number
4
consists of
digits we
four
can
zeros?
take.
Which number consists of 4 zeros? 1,000 or 10,000?
Sir, 10,000.
10,000.
Then for 10,000, you need to reserve 4 digits. For 1,000, you need to reserve 3 digits.
Sir, for the multiplication of that means the numbers which are less than the base, can we use the conventional method?
So multiplication means which multiplication?
Sir, like in my one sum, it is 3 multiplied by
3 multiplied by
32. So there, can I use conventional method?
it is of your
Sir,
choice.
because
Somebody-
yes, because it is below 5, we can directly do it.
Sir, completed, sir.
Yeah, 33 times plus 2 3
Sir,
times.
Satvik is not doing, so may I do?
I'm doing, sir. I'm doing.
No, means first may I do like that.
Yeah. Satvik.
Equal.
Sure, should I tell?
For J and K, which number we have to take and do it?
For J, read that number. Read this number.
1 lakh, sir.
So we have to take
Sorry.
1 lakh.
Wait. Read this number. Pallav. Pallav, are you there?
109, sir.
Read this number.
90,909.
90,909.
90,009.
90,909. Its above basis.
Yes.
1
1
lakh.
1 lakh.
So you need to take 1 lakh as the base. Okay.
Sir, is it still equal?
No, it is not. No, it is not required.
It is there. It is there.
Yeah, it is there.
Echo is not coming when you are speaking. Echo is
Sir,
coming.
may I take Pallav's question? Sir, and you can give my question to someone else. Sir, he said in chat that he
Sir,
is not-
can I take Pallav's question?
Sir, may I?
Sir, I will, sir.
Okay. Shahu asked the first. I'm giving to Shahu. Shahu, ready? And Pallav, you will take which question? B, okay? Pallav.
Sir, Pallav.
Sir, can you hear me now?
Working.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Pallav.
Sir, I will take
Pallav,
it.
we can hear you.
Thank you.
Satvik.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Sir, is it echoing?
Yes.
Sir, base is 1000, sir. 1000 minus 667 is 333.
Okay.
Minus 333.
One small point here. Yeah, let me tell you one small point. Suppose all the numbers here are below base numbers only. Suppose if your number is like 97,869. Suppose if this is your number, how to get that less number? How to get that less number? Means how much is less than? What is the base for this number?
Sir, everything from 9.
1
The
lakh.
end
lakh,
but 10.
1 lakh.
Like yes, 1
1
lakh.
lakh,
Is
sir.
1 lakh consists of how many zeros?
5 zeros.
5 zeros.
Okay. And how to find its less number? How to find its difference number?
Sir, everything from 9 except the last one from 10.
Yes, very good. That is Nikilam, correct?
Yes, sir.
All of you. You can use Nikilam Sutra. All from
No,
9.
sir, that's not Nikilam.
Nikilam only.
Yes, sir, it
Nine
is
and last
Nikilam
one,
only.
Sir, last
Nikilam
one should be
Navadhan
10
sir.
and next one should be 9. Base number should be 10 and last should be 9. That one, no, sir, you're telling.
No. All the digits we have to subtract from 9 and last we have to
And the
subtract.
last one from 10. Yes, sir, it is Nikilam.
Yes, sir, that's Nikilam only.
9 minus 9 is
0.
9 minus 7.
2,
9 minus 8.
1,
1,
Minus 6.
3,
3,
10 minus 9.
1.
1.
That's the difference number. In this way, we need to find the difference number. 2131. Okay. To find the differences, to find how much is less, we can use that Nikilam Sutra. All from 9 and last from 10. So here Satvik is using the same. See? 9 minus 3 is 9 minus 6 is 3.
3.
9 minus 6 is again 10 minus 7 is 3 again. 3, 3, 3. In this way he got that. Next.
Minus 2, sir.
Yes, very good. Next.
Sir, now I am subtracting 667 minus 2.
Yeah, correct.
665.
665. Okay. After that we need to resolve
3. 3 into 2 is equal to 666.
Very good. All of you clear with this?
Yes, sir, ready, sir, ready.
Sir, I didn't
Yes, sir.
understand. Can you explain again?
Okay. Who?
Sir, Pallav.
Okay. Where is your doubt, Pallav? In this method, where is your doubt?
Sir, in the 666, sir.
Okay, how you got this 666? Generally,
So
how
by
you-
multiplying them.
Wait, remaining persons. Generally, how you are filling those remaining positions? By multiplying these extra numbers, correct? 333 into 2 is how much?
666.
That's all.
Okay, sir.
Because we have already reserved 3 positions, those 3 positions should be filled by 3 sixes. Okay, are you ready with your solution, Pallav?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Carry
for
on.
768, it is 232, sir.
Okay, minus 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 minus, 10 minus 8 is 2, 232, correct. Next,
Sir, 3, sir. It is 3.
which is 3? Okay, this is 3.
For 997, sir. Minus 3.
Next,
Now we have to subtract 768 minus 3, which is 765.
765. After that, base is,
After that, we have,
you have to tell the base first.
sir, the base is 1000, so we have to reserve 3 places.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Next,
Then minus 232 into 3 gives 696.
696. Correct. Very good. Then Manideep,
Yes, sir.
carry on.
The base is 1000
Okay,
minus 11, sir,
minus 11. Correct.
and minus 2.
Okay,
989 minus 2 is 987.
987. After that,
Minus 11 into minus 2 is 22.
actually, you need to reserve how many positions?
3, sir.
Okay.
Minus 11 minus into minus 2 is 22. So we should have 0, 22, sir.
0, 2, 2. Correct. Very good. Harshita.
Yes, sir. 885 is equals to minus 115.
What is the base here?
1000, sir.
Okay. Minus
Minus 115.
1,
15.
1, okay, 115. Correct. Next.
And 997 is minus 3.
Okay.
So we should subtract 997 from 115.
Which is better? 885 minus 3 is better, or 997 minus 115 is better?
Yes, sir. 885 minus 3 is equal to 882.
882. Okay.
And 997 into 3 is equals to.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. 997 into 3.
Why 997 into 3? Extra these two numbers. 115 into 3.
Yes, sir. 115 into 3 is
100 5 times. Sorry, 100 3 times is
100 3 times is 300.
15 3 times is
330. 330, sir.
no. 15 3 times is
1545.
45. 300 plus 45.
Yes, sir. 345.
In how many positions we need to fill 345?
Three positions, sir.
Yeah. Okay. 345. Correct. Then Akash.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Okay, so sir, I was just checking my mic. It's not working that time. That's why. Sir, so your base is 1000. So 1000 minus 883, which is minus 117.
117. Okay.
And here minus 2.
Here it is minus 2. Okay.
Now 883 minus 2, which is 881.
881. Okay.
And then we have to multiply 117 and 2.
Everyone forgetting this thing. How many positions we need to take?
So we need 3 reserves, like with reserve number.
Okay.
So our if we multiply these two like extra numbers, so our answer will be 234.
Yes. 100 2 times is 200 and 17 2 times
Yes,
is
sir. 34. 234.
correct. Then Vishnu.
Yes, sir. The base is 1000.
Okay.
1000 minus 467 is 533.
9 minus 4 is 5.
5.
9 minus 6 is 3.
3.
And 10 minus 7 is
3.
3. Minus 533. Okay. Next.
Minus 2, sir.
Okay, minus 2. Okay. Next. Akash.
Excuse me, sir.
Vishnu, carry on.
Just a minute. 467 minus 2 is 465. We have to reserve 3 places.
4, 6, 5. Then reserve 3 positions. Okay.
533 into 2 is
500 2 times is
1599, sir.
no. 500 2 times is
1000, sir.
1000. 33 2 times is
33 2 times is 66, sir.
66. 1000 plus 66 is
1066, sir.
okay. Now adjust these numbers. Adjust this number here. How to adjust?
1 carry, sir.
Okay.
066.
066. Final answer.
466 066.
066. Correct. 466 066. Then G.
Yes, sir. I will take base as 1000.
Okay.
1000 minus 891 is 109.
109. Okay.
Minus 109. And for 989, it will be minus 11.
Okay.
Sir, so 891 minus 11. We'll get it as 880.
880. Okay.
And we have to multiply 109 into 11.
Okay. Initially, how many positions we need to take?
You have to reserve 3 positions.
Okay.
And 109 into 11, we'll get it as 1199.
1199. Very good. Correct.
So we have to add 1 to 0.
Okay.
The 199, we have to fill in those.
Correct. Final answer.
881199.
881199. Correct. Very good. Then Ashrita.
Sir, so sir, the base is 10,000.
Okay.
So difference between 10,000 and 8,888 is 1112.
111 then 2. Correct.
And difference is 4, sir, here.
Okay.
So 8,888 is equals minus is equals to 8,884.
84.
Fourth place
Okay.
reserved.
Okay.
So the answer will be 4,448.
Yeah. 1112 will be directly we can say 4, 4, 4 and 8. Direct digit by digit multiplication. Because they are not exceeding 10. They are not getting any carry. Very good. Then Vedika.
Yes, sir.
Basics.
10,000 minus 6,999 is equal to 3,001.
3001. Correct.
Yes, sir. Then 10,000 minus 9,997 is 3.
Okay.
And then 6,999 minus 3 is 6,996.
6,000.
996.
Okay. 6,996. After that,
And then 4 digits, sir.
very good.
Then 3001 into 3 is equal to 9003.
9,003. Correct.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Shahu. Base is how much?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, the base here is 1 lakh.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Proceed.
Yes, sir. So the first number it is minus 9091.
9, then 0, then 9, then 1. And the initial 9 will be 0. That's why no need to consider. Okay.
Yes, sir. And the second one 9, it will be 6. Just 6.
Okay.
Minus 6.
It is just minus 6. Okay. Then
Yes, sir. So it, we'll write in the beginning 90903.
90903. Later we need to reserve
That is 5 places, sir, because it is 1 lakh.
3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yes, sir. And we will do this 9091 into 6. So 6 ones are 6. We will write in the last place 6.
Okay.
So in the last, yes, sir. Then 6 nines are 54. We'll write 4. And 5 will win carry.
Okay.
Then 6 zeros are 0. We'll write 5.
Okay.
Then 6 nines are again 54. We'll write 5 and 4. So the answer is 9090354546.
Okay. So after base multiplication, we'll see this type of multiplications also. Directly 9 6 are 54. Again 9 6 are 54. And last 6 ones are 6. 54, 54, 6.
Okay, sir.
Very good. Correct. Then Jashmita.
Yes, sir. The base we will take as 1 lakh.
Okay.
Sir, 78989 is less than 1 lakh by 21011.
0, 1, again 1. Correct.
And then 4 9s and 7 is less than the base by 3.
Okay.
So 78989 minus 3, which is equals to 789,896. 78986.
986. Okay. After that,
Sir, minus 2
how many digits?
5 digits, 5
1,
places.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Sir, 21011 into minus 3, which is 63033.
63033. Yeah. Okay. This much. Actually, this is a 5-digit number, and it is also a 5-digit number. 5 digit into 5-digit number. We are doing in a without using any pen also.
Sir, what will we do if they give 5-digit into 4-digit number?
Yeah, we'll see in the next class with a
Okay.
different basis.
Okay.
Sir, mine is left.
Yeah, we need to do one more exercise. Make it fast.
Yes, sir. Sir, 9998 is less than 2 and 987 is. Sir, base number is 10,000.
Very good. Carry.
9998 is less than 2 and 9876 is less than 124.
1, 2, 4. Correct. And it is 2. Okay.
Yes, sir. So 9876 minus 2 would be 9874. 4 places needs to be reserved.
7, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sir, and double of 124 would be 248. We need to place a 0 before going there.
Okay. 0, 2, 4, 8. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Shall we do one more exercise? Last exercise for this session.
Yes, sir. We can do.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This exercise is below large basis, and the next exercise is above large basis. There are only 5 questions. Only 5. Only 5 questions. 5 members can give names.
Yes, sir.
Maybe there will be some fighting because only 5 questions.
So shall I read the names?
Sir, can
So shall I?
I read the name, sir?
Sir, I
Hello,
told first.
sir, can I read
Sir,
the
from
list?
E
Sir, I
Vishnu.
told first. Sir, I told first.
Sir, I told first, sir.
No, sir.
You are fighting for this.
Sir, nothing happened, sir. I'll read, sir. Don't worry, sir.
Sir,
I'll read.
first is E Vishnu. Second is D Ritvik.
Vishnu.
Vishnu, D, Ritvik, C,
Sir, C,
Zoya.
Zoyas.
Z,
Sir,
Zoya.
then start with
B,
D, plus sir, B, Akash, or A,
A
Shahu.
Shahu.
A, Shahu. E,
E,
Jeshita.
Jessica. No,
D, Vedika.
Okay, B Akash and A Shahu. That's all. Over.
Sir, can you give one extra
Sir,
bit so that I can solve?
oh,
No,
sir, A
you can
Shahu.
practice.
Sha.
And A is
Akash.
That's all.
Sir,
Sir,
actually in
you
chat,
wrote
A Shahu
ulta.
is there, not B Shahu.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. B is Akash. A
Sir,
is
B
Shahu.
is Akash and A is Shahu actually in the
D
chat
Vishnu,
box.
D Ritvik,
Sir, but it's okay for me.
D is Satvik.
Sir, even
Sir,
it's okay for me, sir. So nothing happens. We have interchanged our questions. Nothing happens.
Yes, sir. It's okay.
Okay. If you are
So,
okay,
let's start.
both of you
Sir,
are
sir,
okay, then it is okay.
Sir, it's okay, sir. So it's also okay. So let's start.
Okay, here only one
Sir,
question.
so the base,
Base
sir, so the base here is 1000. So plus 222 here, first in the first number. And in the
1000.
second, yes, sir.
Okay, above basis, correct?
Yes, sir. Sir, and then here 222 plus 222, and even here plus 3.
Okay.
So now we have to add 1222 to 3. It's obviously 3000, like 1225.
1225.
25. And now we have to find 3 more digits, 3 more reserve digits. Now we have to multiply 222 and 3. So our answer will be 666.
That's all. Very good. Then Shahu.
Yes, sir. Here the base is 10,000. So we will take 1051 is plus 51.
Shahu, base is how much?
So 10,000.
Why 10,000? Read that number.
1051.
Sir, it's only
Oh,
1000, right?
1000.
Yeah, 1051 only. That's why.
Yes, sir. 1000. Sorry. Yes, so first number is plus 51 and the second one is plus 7.
Plus 51 and it is plus 7.
Yes, so 1051 plus 7, 1058.
58. Okay.
It is thousands will reserve 3 places, 51 into 7. Last digit is 7 and 7 5s are 35. So 357. Answer is 1058357.
Correct. Then Zoya.
Yes, sir. Base is 1000
Okay.
and for the 1123 is 123 more than 1000
Correct.
and 1002 is 2 more than 1000.
Okay.
1123 plus 2 is 1125
1125. Okay.
and we have to reserve 3 places.
Okay.
123 into 2 is 246.
246. Correct. Very good. Ritvik.
Sir, base number is 1000 and 1007 is 7 more than 1000 and 1006 is 6 more than 1000.
This is 6 more than. Okay.
Sir, 1007 plus 6 would be 1013.
101.
The 3 places needs to be reserved.
Okay.
Sir, 7 into 6 is 42 and we need to keep 0 before that.
04. Okay. Then Vishnu, you only got for 1 lakh, I think.
Yes,
Sir, I was
sir.
going to keep E Ritvik, but he kept.
Sir, I'm confusing, sir. The base is 1 lakh.
Okay.
The number minus 1 lakh is 5011
5111 plus
plus 1 plus 3, sir.
plus 3. Okay.
We will add a 3. It will be 15114.
15114. After that,
We have to reserve 5 places, sir.
okay.
5. No, sir, it is 4.
Why 4? 1 lakh your base. Not based on these digits. It is based on the number of zeros in your base. 1 lakh consists of how many zeros?
5.
That's why 5 digits.
The base is not 1 lakh, sir. It is 10,000.
No. No.
Yes, sir. Actually, base is 10,000, not 1 lakh.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I think I only get it.
Yes,
I
sir. In the
confused a
starting, you
bit,
said
sir.
it's 1 lakh.
Actually, it's above large basis, sir. That's
Yes,
why
yes.
10,000.
Yes, 10,000.
It is 10,000, sir.
Sir, in the same way, I got confused.
So it
in
will
my
be 4 places, sir. We have to reserve 4 places, not 5 places.
Okay, 4 places.
511 into 3 will be 15,333, sir.
Yes. See here, simply 5. 3 are
15,000, sir.
333.
333. That's it.
But there are only 4.
We have to carry 1 to 4, sir.
Yes. 1,
5,
3,
3, 3, 3.
Yeah, after
The
balance,
answer will be 1, 5, 1, 1,
5.
5, 5, 3, 3, 3.
Sir, it's a nice product.
Yes, this one, right?
Yes, sir. No,
Because
sir, the answer.
carry number is not there in the middle. It is in the first place. That's why we can write it as it is. Remaining digits are not carry numbers. That's why it is easy. Okay, here I'm stopping, and in the next class, we'll see base method only. Even in base method, we can use proportion. What is that sutra? Anurupyena.
Sir, next time give a harder one, sir. These are too easy.
Sir, next time put enough bits for each one, sir.
Sir, at least we need base number as 1 lakh.
Jashmita, what you told?
Sir, can you put more bits for one question? Sir,
Okay.
like this one, it was only 5 bits, so nobody, not many people got to answer.
Some exercises are there with a large number of questions also. Some exercises.
Sir, another class is started.
Time to leave the Vedic maths class.
Okay, carry on. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Sir,
sir.
again,